Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I just want to show you how I made $95 in 2 days from one free app. Let's get to it.
I seem to let it eat me up.
Alright guys, this is the app. The app is called DOSH. The link is in the description. You can go download it right now. And once you download it today and link your debit card to it, the company is going to pay you $5 just for doing that. So you're already making some money. So DOSH is just a cashback app where you can get cash back at local stores that we basically much already go to, like Pizza Hut, Papa John's. And they have food. You come in here and search through a lot of stuff. They have gas, automotive, shopping. We just click on shopping and we can just see what we can get cash back in our area. So right now, like Express, Forever 21, Guess, Polo, The Gap, you got mattress furniture, mattress firm. You guys get cash back at a lot of restaurants that's in your area. You guys can just search online as well. They got some Kroger coupons, especially this app is good for couponers as well. Or if you know somebody that coupon, you get cash back at a lot of stores. So it's just good to have. So download it, link a debit card to it, and get the $5 and continue to shop. But I also want to show you how to make some cool little money. Only thing you have to do is just share your referral link. Once you get the app, just share your referral link. You just come over here to refer and get your link, and you just start sharing it everywhere. Share it to your friends, your family, your co-workers, your classmates. You can do strangers, anybody. Just ask them, do you want to make $5? Just download the link, link a debit card to it, and the company gonna pay them $5. And you also go to Facebook as well and promote. I love to go to Facebook. That's where I make a lot of referrals from. I just come to Facebook. Let me just show you what I have been doing with DOSH. DOSH, just put DOSH. You guys, I just share it everywhere. I share my results. I share my link. You know, I finally got DOSH on autopilot. You know, I just keep sharing my link. So that's what you have to do, guys. Once you get the app, download it and just share it to Facebook. I love making posts about it. Here's one I made quite a bit of money. I made almost $1,500 with DOSH. I'm just sharing my results. I don't care if it's $5 or $1,500. Share your results. Letting people know that you can get $5. And of course, you see that it adds up. So that's exactly what you're gonna go do to bring in, you know, a lot of more money rather than $10, $15. You can start bringing in a couple of $100 every day. So not even every day, but you know, let me just show you what I did in a couple of days. So actually today is the 7th. They already paying me for the 8th, but so let's just say we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. $95 in 2 days. In 2 days, made $95. See, today the 7th. I started on the 5th. In 2 days, $95. You see it gonna keep going up. So you guys download the link a debit card to it, get the $5 and share your link. So, you know what I'm saying, hopefully y'all find value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright, peace.